Assalamualaikum students, welcome to the first day of online support program. Today we will learn about chemistry and its branches. Objectives: students will be able to define and explain chemistry. Students will be able to define and explain 8 major branches of chemistry. Chemistry is defined as the science that examines the materials of the universe and changes that these materials undergo. We can also define chemistry as the branch of science which deals with the composition, structures, properties, and reactions of a matter. For example, composition of water. Water is formed from hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen both are gases. When they combine together, they form a new compound called water. Chemistry is commonly divided into 8 major branches: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, industrial chemistry, nuclear chemistry, environmental chemistry, and analytical chemistry. Chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with laws and theories to understand the structure and changes of matter, is called physical chemistry. For example, the properties such as structure of atoms, formation of molecules, and behavior of gases. Organic chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with substances containing carbon, is called organic chemistry. Organic compounds occur naturally and are also synthesized in the laboratory. For example, gasoline, plastic, food additives, all these are organic compounds. Inorganic chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the elements and their compound except organic compound, is called inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is the study of the production of chemical compounds that do not require a carbon-hydrogen bond, reactions, and properties. Inorganic compounds can be classified as oxides, acids, and salts. Biochemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with physical and chemical changes that occur in living organisms, is called biochemistry. Biochemistry covers all chemical processes taking place in living organisms, such as synthesis and metabolism of biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and the study of chemical reactions that acetic acid undergoes in the bodies of human beings is biochemistry. Industrial chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the methods and use of technology in the large-scale production of useful substances, is called industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry deals with the manufacturing of basic chemicals like ammonia, acetic acid, and sulfuric acid. Nuclear chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the changes that occur in atomic nuclei, is called nuclear chemistry. And nuclear reactions are used both to generate electricity and to create weapons of massive destruction. Mental chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the chemicals and toxic substances that pollute the environment and their adverse effect on human beings, is called environmental chemistry. For example, air pollution, global warming, acid rain, these are the examples of environmental chemistry. Analytical chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the methods and instruments for determining the composition of matter, is called analytical chemistry. The method and instruments used to determine the percentage composition, melting point, boiling point is analytical chemistry. That's all for today's topic. Thank you.